This is how to find out the headings you have in your Word document quickly, all right, without taking time. So let me open my Word document. Okay, let's work with this document, right? So let's say I want to find out, I want to get to a particular heading at the beginning of this document, but I don't want to keep on scrolling. How do I go about it? Once you're on this home tab, be on the home tab, all right? Click on Find. All right. So this will open this navigation bar by this side. Tap or click on headings. Okay. So this has listed all the headings you have marked in this document. Let's say I want to get to chapter one. I'll just click here. And this has taken me to chapter one. I want to get to chapter two. I'll click here and get to chapter two. I want to get to chapter three. I'll click here and get there so fast. So I don't need to start scrolling around until I get there. Okay. If you want to find out pages, click here. When you want to get to page 70, all right, you just scroll this way in this navigation section and click on 70, and you're taken to this page 70. All right, so this is how you can navigate to any headings and pages you have in your Word document. Just after that, you click here to close, okay, the navigation bar, to close the navigation section. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. All right, leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Thank you and see you some other time.